In this video, I'll demonstrate how to change the zone a device is in. Sometimes you may pre-commission a system or you may move a fixture from one area to another. So in this example, we have a device set up in room 150, which is the second grade math room. And I want to move this fixture to the second floor. So I'm going to click on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Looking at the fixture that I'm trying to move, here again, room 150, the center UVC troffer, I'm going to click the three dots next to identify. And then from here, I'm going to go change zone. Now all of the zones that are in my network load up, and I want to move this fixture, currently in room 150, to room 215, the fifth grade science classroom. I'll click the checkbox next to room 215 and click done. The fixture changes zones, and now you notice that room 215, fifth grade science, has the fixture. Now let's say, for example, that this fixture is no longer the center UVC troffer, but instead has been installed next to the doorway, and you want to change the name of the fixture as well. Well, to do so, click the three dots next to it, and click Change Name. From there, you can go and select anything you would like. So I'm going to do UVC troffer by door. Done, done, and there we go. We've moved the zone and we changed the name of the fixture.